All right, guys, so I just want to show you guys something right now. So right now what you're looking at is one of the repo hubs. There's a ton of other repositories that host a lot of AI's technology. But this is called RapidAPI. They have tons of different APIs you can actually use and test. I don't know how to explain APIs, but in layman terms, it's companies that allows you, they give you access to their information. Of course, sometimes they charge you, but they give you the power to access their servers and their information, what they allow you to see, right? So I'm gonna go to one right now, right? You can see they have, let me see, yeah, popular APIs, the recommended APIs. You can see they have OpenAI here, movie databases, top AI-based APIs here we can actually use, right? I don't have to actually know anything about machine learning, but because there's a ton of APIs for me to use, and my skill set is more so in web development and using APIs myself, I can play with any one of these. So for example, Face Studio, right? I've been testing this out. What this app does here, but it's not an app yet, it's just an API. It generates random faces, right? Of what you want. You can actually go down and say, hey, I want a female, mid-20s or 30s, pick the ethnicity, I'll just go with the default here and just show you guys something, man. Just test the endpoint and see what it generates, right? Boom, just generate a random woman's face, right? Now, let's just say I want to put that into a little mini app. Let's just say I don't have time to even code it. I already went ahead and used ChatGPT to generate the code for me, right? It already, I was playing with it. I was like, hey man, I don't have time, make me some styles, create some template that I can actually use based on the code snippet they have here. I'm just like, okay, here's the code snippet, create some UIs for me. And guess what? I copied it, pasted it, put it in here, and it's working, right? Just test it out and see. I'm gonna go straight to my React app. Boom, it generated this for me. I can just generate click the button, what ChatGPT gave me, and now I have an app. Just wait and see if it works. Boom, generates a face. Let's see you do another one. Boom, another face. These people do not exist. This is all artificial intelligence. These people, I repeat, these people do not exist. This is all AI type faces. Now imagine I just wanted to put this on and just say, hey, I have a AI generated face, create a service around it. And that's all it is. That's all, React and all these web frameworks are for, just to actually build the UIs. But of course there's logic in there. So I just wanted to come in here and show you guys, like, look, man, this is the power of artificial intelligence. It's out there. Anyone can use it. You just gotta know a little bit of the basics. If you don't, go to ChatGPT. It'll teach you everything you need to know about, even about coding. Even if you don't know, you just want to just test it out for yourself. It works.